Excavator is finally headed back home.
Yeah, after so long. So this is how they get on the truck.
Mm-hmm. Back to its next job.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. So this is how he would get on a
Back
truck.
on the trailer so he can be transported to another location.
Ooh. What's he doing now?
He may just pull himself up.
Let's see. So,
Gonna pull up his
oh, look at that. That is cool. Oh no. Oh my God. Jesus. That is cool. How they like get on the trailer.
Turn one set of tracks. So he
That
can
must be
turn it in
scary.
this. Yeah, you don't want to fall off.
That would probably be bad. Oh my God. He's probably very good at it. He's probably he's probably been trained for this.
Mm-hmm.
So he now is on the trailer, and it's pretty cool how he does that.
He's gonna try to center himself, and then they're gonna tie the excavator down with some chains.
And then they'll drive off.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very cool how he does that. And see, now all of it is done.
His job is done, putting in the septic.
2 weeks, but it took 2 weeks. Excavator Part 4. Okay. Now let's see the chains you're talking about. Okay, so now what is he gonna do?
I have to set the bucket in place so it doesn't swing around when he's on the highway.
Oh, yeah.
You want it to be chained down and not moving when he's on the highway, right?
Yeah. Or else it'd be like, vroom, 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 and then all the cars. I mean, what will happen to the cars? Okay, let's see. It's going.
Pull that bucket down and put it in place.
So, guys, I have another channel called Amazing Isa. That's my name. And that channel, we're arriving to Alaska. It's like about animals. So let's see what he'll do now. Will he put the chains on?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Should we keep it in the same video or the next video?
Same.